Hello my wonderful viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana, feel welcome. And guys, today this is the video that I'm bringing you. I want to show you the African way of slaughtering this duck. So you see how beautiful this duck is. It has a very special, delicious meat, and I want to show you how we do it the African style. So guys, keep tuned, view this video until the end. Otherwise, so when we want to slaughter it, you have to tie it. The reason why we tie it, because it has a lot of blood and we want the blood to drip. You don't need to cook it with that blood, otherwise you won't enjoy your food. I tied the wings because it was trying to be stubborn, so I'll remove it, the wings. At how beautiful my duck is with a very good color. So what I'll do, just the same as hen, I will have it this way. Squeeze the neck, take a sharp knife, then it's choked, and this is how we slaughter the African way. So guys, after cutting its head, we are going to let it stay here for about 3 hours. The reason why we are leaving it here for 3 hours, so that it can drip, all this blood can drip throughout. So you don't need to cook it fast. So keep tuned guys, I'll show you the next step. Here now, I'm just going to place it inside this pan. After that, I'll pour in this hot water, just the same way we do chicken. Make sure every part of the body, including the legs, has this hot water. Make sure you swing it all over. You start by the wings because the wings are the most difficult part. So you can see it's coming out well easily because of the hot water. Now you can remove the feathers very easy. So guys, because of that, I can see now it is ready, it's okay, and I cannot touch the hot water. I'll have a tray here. So guys, we just do the same way as we do to chicken, but guys, the meat is so tender and nice guys. So you can see it has some white feather here, which will not be very easy to remove. Now, in my community, there is this belief, I don't know whether it's a myth or a belief, that when we are removing the feathers of such kind of animals, of birds, you don't need to talk. You just do it quietly. The more you talk, the more this air keeps growing. So I think that is just some belief or myth, I don't know, but just comment down there and tell me what you think about it. So guys, from here now, we're just going to roast it. To roast it, you keep removing these other feathers. So the heat is just to enable you to clear these stubborn hairs that cannot be removed. And then make sure you turn it. So you can see all these hairs have stood up. This is because they've been heated by the heat. So keep tuned guys, that with this kind of bird, when you're removing the feathers and you're chatting or you're talking with someone, the feathers keeps growing. So I said it's maybe a belief, but I've started believing that because look at it now. This place is so smooth. Let me just turn it the other side again. When I get back, we'll just see whether they've increased or not. So I don't know whether naturally they are like that, or it's because we are discussing with my friend around here. So keep tuned, guys. The flames like this now, it means now it is heating well. So let me just turn it. Two reasons why we roast it like this before we cut it is one, to clear with the feathers, to make sure that the feathers are well cleared, and also when it's roasted like this, it gives a different flavor. It is now ready. After grilling it like this, now it is ready, and now we are going to cut it into pieces and now boil it. So this is a whole duck. It looks like a chicken. Now the head has been thrown away. The head is not eaten, just like in chicken. With chicken we eat the head, but for the duck we don't eat the head. And also the legs. We are going to cut the legs, chop the legs out. So you cut them and throw them away. Same with this side. So we'll just let it cool for a while and then now cut it into pieces. So keep tuned. So guys, we are going to cut it. So we cut it from the heart. So this is how we are going to cut it into pieces. We are going to remove this. We're trying to remove the digestive system first. Digestive system, everything, so we're just going to remove. placing my pan now. Then I'll add my red onions to it. I'll add my vegetable oil. My red onions have become translucent. I'm just waiting for them to get brown. But it's not really a must that you have to brown. But at least they are now fine. So what I'm going to do is just to add the beef now. I mean the meat of the duck. Very, very, very tender meat. So keep tuning in. Whoa, 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 whoa. The aroma, guys. The aroma is such a wonderful. So at this point, before you give it a good stir, you have to add some salt so that the salt can get direct in the meat. Then now you can give it a good stir. Then you will just cover it and let the onions cook to get inside the beef. So guys, after doing this now, then I'll cover it. So keep tuned, guys. It is nice. Guys, you can see the aroma. Now what we are going to do now is just to add some tomatoes. So you don't need to stir. You don't need to mix the tomatoes. You'll just cover it and let tomatoes just cook in there. So guys, keep tuned and let it go.